Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos with Hailuo AI step by step. Whether you want to create cinematic scenes, creative animations, or engaging content for social media, Hailuo AI can help you turn your ideas into videos. First, open Hailuo AI on your computer and sign in to your account. Once you reach the main dashboard, find the video generation section. Here, you can choose the type of creation you want to work with, depending on the options currently available in your account. To create a video from text, start by writing a clear prompt that describes exactly what you want to see. A good prompt should include the main subject, what the subject is doing, the environment, lighting, visual style, and camera movement. For example, instead of writing a person walking, you could write a young traveler walking through a beautiful mountain village during sunset, warm cinematic lighting, realistic movement. Gentle wind and a slow camera tracking shot. This gives the AI much more information about the scene. After entering your prompt, review everything carefully and start the generation process. Hailuo AI will process your instructions and create the video. Depending on the generation settings and current system
Are
availability,
cleared to jump.
this may take some time. When the video is ready, preview the result. Look closely at the character movement, background details, camera motion, lighting, and overall quality. If something
All
looks
vessels are
incorrect,
cleared to jump.
modify your prompt and try generating another version. You can also experiment with different descriptions to create completely different visual styles. Try cinematic scenes, realistic environments, action sequences, animated characters, product demonstrations, or storytelling scenes. The key to getting better results is to keep improving your prompts. Be specific about movement and camera direction, but avoid adding unnecessary instructions that could make the scene confusing.